Switch number 7. Condition? It's okay. Pretty good. Outer casing's actually not cracked. I should have put the LCD on this one, really, shouldn't I? Bit of scuff mark there, but overall, it's not bad. Not bad. It's light scratches everywhere, but it's not the worst that I've seen. But the back is another story. Yeah, so it is terrible. Let's go under the scope. Look at this. Terrible again. Water damage galore. Even under the BQ. I disconnected the battery straight away as soon as I saw it. Water indicator's gone. Over there. I have no idea if this will be salvageable. It should be. Should be. Max IC under there. Yeah, that's all got liquid damage. This cable's gone. It's even eaten through the top, so the bottom's probably completely gone. Yeah, so the backlight's no good. I could repair that. There's a tiny bit of trace there. I could try and scrape back that and put a jumper wire across. Yeah, it might work. Don't know about this. I think this one survived. Yeah, that's fine. But it doesn't matter about this, and I'll show you the reason why the backlight, I don't think I'm even going to attempt to repair it. The game card reader, the eMMCs, got a bit of corrosion on. This is the reason why I don't think it might still work. I don't know if there's any eating away. Let's give it a little clean, just that little bit. I don't know. It might still have some connection on it. Or is it eating away? No, that's been eaten away there, isn't it? There's nothing there. So if I could get this working, it'll just be the motherboard I could sell. So let's get this thing apart then. See if we can revive it. Actually, I didn't check the port. Did not check the port. Um, Hard to tell. Too grubby. Very dirty in there. So I've just put a charged battery in there. Is it going to reboot? No. So there is definitely an issue with this, which is good. I like this. See if we can revive it. Plugged in. Do we get a reboot sequence? No, we don't. So there is definitely something wrong with it. All right, let's get it out and inspect it. Oh, no. Oh, my days. Check this out, guys. You ready? Are you ready? Poof! What on earth? If I could get this working again, it would be a miracle. This is crazy. Look at that rust. I don't even know what's supposed to be under there. Oh, everything. It's been proper submerged. Hmm. Well, you know what I should do first? Give it a clean. See what we could do. All right, let's inspect it under the microscope. Let's see what's damage is done. Okay, needs a little bit more of a scrub here. Well, that's missing a pin, game card reader, so I'm gonna have to change that. This might have a lot of stuff wrong with it. P13 USB is fine. This is where all the rust was and stuff, which looks okay. I think that there is, I know it's been eaten away, but I don't think there's a component on there. Don't think there is. This doesn't look good, does it? It looks like it's been eaten away underneath. Yeah. Don't know if it's still connected. I don't even know what this is. I will bear that in mind. I think we should give it a little test now, see if it comes to life after that clean. I doubt it. That's worth a go. Do we get a reboot a sequence? This might be another donor board, you know. I'm going to try my hardest to get it working. Here we go, guys, with the dodgy port. Yep, dodgy port. Let's see, I've actually broken it completely. No. Okay. Do we get a reboot? No, we definitely don't. Check for shorts. Yeah. Let's check for shorts. First things first. This. I know it's going to be fine. Yeah, that's fine. Round the BQ. Wait, I did say about that thing over here, didn't I? It looks like it's not connecting. Do you reckon? No, that won't cause it. I don't know. Let's have a look. because it was really badly corroded there. So, whereabouts was it? Up here, that there. I think we're gonna have to take that off and have a look at it. Yeah, that looks like it's eating away at the pads there. And what about this? It could have eaten through the. Do you know what? I've seen these on Switch lights and I've used every single one of these before. But that's definitely not. This is like a. I don't know, but I've seen these on Switch lights and I ran out of them. This could be the issue. Yeah, that's definitely eating away. I think these two are on the same pads. So if I just do a wire from there straight across, we should be all right. But I think that is the issue. Sorry, guys, I accidentally did it all off camera. I didn't even realize. I put a jumper wire on this cap and I put some solder mask on it, but I think I've probably put way too much on. Yeah, it didn't work anyway. It was supposed to stay there, but it's bent now. Damn it. There. Just there. All right, I'm gonna have to add some more solder mask and get rid of this stuff. It didn't set properly anyway. All right, let's add a bit more solder mask again. Now that's all cured, add a little bit of heat. Lovely. Now that should be solid. Solid. Yep, nice and hard. Uh, now flip it around. Now hopefully I could get a component on there. Hopefully that's not covered it up. I'm gonna add a little bit, try and tin it up. This might mess up completely. Just want to tin it. So if I stab it quick, like that, that should be tinned. Hard to tell. Right, I need to get one off a donor board. Here's said donor board. This is the one with a hole in it. And it's there. Let's get it off. That looks like it's sitting way too high. I don't think it's making contact properly. So the middle pan, I don't know. Think the wire's too thick. I don't have any thinner wire. Well, let's give it a go. Let's see if we're getting the same reading when it's plugged in. A solid 0.09 now. 10. That means there's definitely another short on the board somewhere. That's a lot. That's high draw. Very high draw. 100 milliamps. That's definitely a short somewhere. They are they are on the same rail, right? Yeah. We look under the microscope. Yeah, they're definitely on the same path. Probably try it with my multimeter. Check for voltage drop in diode mode. In diode mode, do we get a read in this side? Well, I'll test on that test point there. Getting 0.353, which I think is normal. What about if can I touch the leg? Maybe if I touch that cap. Point 0.4, getting point 0.4 there, point 0.4 there. So it is definitely going through. Yeah, definitely getting a read in because I was touching the wire and it's getting point 0.4. But I don't know if that middle ground point is supposed to be grounded. I'm sure that's ground there anyway, isn't it? On this side. Yeah, that's ground. So that should be fine now. Uh, let's see what we are getting on there. Point 0.4, that's fine. Is that supposed to be point 0.3? 0.354. Yeah. Um, let's check around CPU cap. 0.274. I think that's normal. Point 0.4, point 0.6, point 0.4, point 0.4, point 0.4. That all seems fine. Point 0.3, point 0.4, point 0.3. Right, we're under the thermal cam. Unfortunately, my laptop, I need a longer cable. Okay, so I think that'll do for now. So if I plug in the power, oops, plug in the power now, see what's getting warm. So BQ's getting warm. It's only drawing 60 milliamp. Ah, it's that max IC again. Max IC is getting warm. Could it be another max IC issue? So is that one getting warm as well? Let's put my macro lens on. Yeah, that's getting quite hot, isn't it? And the other max IC down here, not as hot, but that one at the back is. Well, I wouldn't say it's hot. Doesn't feel hot to the touch. Right, this could make or break stuff, but I'm just gonna refloat everything. I can't think what else to do. There's no shorts, it's just, well, there might be a short somewhere. Starting with the EMMC. Hi guys, I've literally given up with this now, almost. I've changed the M92 off camera. It was shorted down there. I've reballed it and that's now working fine. My ammeter has now failed on me. I plug it in and the amp draw is just ridiculous. Look, 700 milliamps, 10.6 watts. It's busted. And it's not the draw from the switch because if I use another cable, just plug it in. Look, it says look, 880 milliamp draw. It's not even plugged into anything. I've tried calibrating it and it's still not working. So this has failed on me now. It says cal for calibrating. It says 0, which is normal, but then give it a second. There you go, it's going up on its own. So this has now failed me. I have to get a new one of these. But when I do plug in the charger, the BQ chip does get hot now. So I'm about to change the BQ chip. Damn it. If this doesn't work, that's it. That's the end of the line. How am I going to test it without an ammeter? Well, I think it still reboots. So if we could see the reboot sequence, then it's fine. Like I said, if this doesn't work, I'm calling it quits. Unfortunately, it was severely water damaged, so no idea what other components probably failed. I reflowed all the BGA chips and the other chips, and I don't know what else it can be. There's no short, well, there is a short, I think, but I can't find it. Right, that's cooled down enough. If this works, then hooray. I've got no energy to celebrate. Do we get a reboot? Of course we don't. I don't know what else. Ah, well, I don't know what to do with this one. Let's just scrap that one. That's a fail.